Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Behance cover photo. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the top right corner, click on your profile, and that will bring you to your Behance profile section. Now here, to replace or change your cover photo, you will see this banner. So just hover your cursor over it and you'll have the option to replace your banner image. So just go ahead and select on the replace button. After that, go and choose the photo that you want and open it. Now, you can drag it to reposition that image, and you can also go ahead and zoom it in or out if you want to. Now, once done on customizing that image, you can simply click on the Done button. By doing so, that will replace your cover or banner photo in Behance. Now, you can go ahead and replace it again if you want to, or remove it if you don't like on having a cover photo. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.